Welcome D-Lab. Today I was walking out to my mailbox, and as I went by my porch I saw this package sitting there and I thought, I'm not expecting anything. Then I got looking at the label and it says it's from Omar in New Jersey. Now I've helped this guy, if it is the same Omar, with many repairs in the past, and he's been threatening to send me something in the mail. I think he did. So let's pop it open and see what's inside. So we're going to be using my trusty X-Acto knife. Let's see what we got going on. It was sent via FedEx. Well taped. I did actually shake the box a little bit to see if maybe I could hear like maybe some liquid in a bottle, because this guy knows I'm a wine drinker. Getting closer. Don't want to harpoon myself. I could be totally wrong too. This may be a repair. So I have helped him with repairs, so maybe he needs my assistance. Look at there. Interior D-Lab. Alright. Let's go digging. A lot of packing. I'm seeing wires, so it is not a bottle of wine. Alright, let's get this thing out of here. So this appears to be a little amplifier. Not a Fender, it's got a red chassis. So it must be a boutique amp. It's a Dan Electro. At least the chassis is. Alright, let's see what's going on with this thing. Alright, hi Terry, hope you and the family are doing great. So we spoke a few weeks ago about this 5F clone that I just can't seem to figure out. As you can see, I'd built it out of spare parts, but all the parts were new or gently used. He says he triple checked all of his connections and just don't see anything obviously wrong. So it appears as though D-Lab got a job in the mail. Well, here's a little amp. Looks like he pulled a chassis maybe out of a solid state amp. Reconfigured it. Got a Hammond output transformer. Classic tone power transformer. Appears to be the typical lineup: 5Y3, 6V6, 12AX7. So this video was not supposed to be about a repair. It's supposed to just be about a box opening. When I get into the repair, I'll shoot another video. Alright Omar, thanks for the repair. I'll be updating you, man. This video was supposed to just be about opening a box, but instead it turns out to be a job for D-Lab. Next time I open a box this size though, it should have wine in it. See you guys.